After the passing of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he continued to serve the ummah as an educator and teacher, a senior, was respected by all. During the Khilafah of Sayyidina Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu an, Umar radiallahu an, Uthman radiallahu an, actually towards the end of Uthman radiallahu an's life, when Uthman radiallahu an was placed under house arrest, he stood up in defense of Uthman radiallahu an. He went to meet Uthman radiallahu an. Uthman radiallahu an said to him that people intend evil to me, they intend to kill me. So go out and talk to them. Explain to them that it is wise to abandon this path. The road they're on will lead to further murder, more bloodshed. There will be excessive carnage if a Khalifa is killed. Abdullah bin Salam radiallahu an, he stood up in front of the people. فقال يا أيها الناس إنه كان اسمي في الجاهلية فلان فسماني رسول الله عبد الله. O people, I had a different name before I accepted Islam. The name you know me by today, Abdullah bin Salam, was given to me by Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allah Azza wa Jal revealed ayat in the Quran regarding me, and He cited وَشَهِدَ شَاهِدٌ مِّن بَنِي إِسْرَائِيلَ عَلَى مِثْلِهِ فَآمَنَ وَاسْتَكْبَرْتُمْ of Surah Qaf. And then from Surah Al-Ra'd, قُلْ كَفَى بِاللَّهِ شَهِيدًا بَيْنِي وَبَيْنَكُمْ وَمَنْ عِنْدَهُ عِلْمُ الْكِتَابِ. He cites two different verses, and he said Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam mentioned that these verses were revealed regarding me. He tried to dissuade people that don't do this to Sayyidina Uthman radiallahu anh. However, the people didn't listen and they turned against him. So unfortunately, Uthman bin Affan radiallahu anh was martyred. And he told them that if you kill Uthman radiallahu anh, blood will spill everywhere. A lot more people will die. You think you're taking justice on behalf of someone? No. Whatever you think you're doing, you're going to open the door to a lot of fitna. Ala kulli hal, these crooked, corrupt people continued, and they laid their hands on the son-in-law of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the Khalifa of this ummah, and they killed him in cold blood. One day, Abdullah bin Salam radiallahu anhu was sitting on the road. فَجَلَسَ عَلَى طَرِيقِ عَلِيِّ ibn Abi Talib. He was sitting on the road where Ali radiallahu anhu would pass by. Now Ali radiallahu anhu was Khalifa, and he had made an intention to relocate the Darul Khilafah from Medina to Kufa. During the time of Abu Bakr, Umar, Uthman, they ruled from Medina. Ali radiallahu anhu relocated to Kufa, which is in modern day Iraq. Abdullah bin Salam radiallahu anhu said to him, don't do this. لا تأتي العراق وعليك بمنبر رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم. Stay with the city of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, where the Prophet of Allah taught from. Teach from there. Because I don't know, if you leave the city, you may never see it again. Ali radiallahu anh had an opinion, and he stuck with it, and did relocate the Khilafah from Medina Munawwara to Iraq. His position was that there was going to be a war. It was clear to him some sort of civil dispute would occur. He didn't want any battle to happen in Medina Munawwara or its surrounding. Medina Munawwara needed to be preserved. This should be a place where people come for praying, worshipping, learning from Sahaba. This is where deen needs to spread from. This is where people will come to give salam to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, perform salah in the masjid of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So to avoid any spreading of fitna in Medina Munawwara, he relocated the Darul Khilafah to Kufa. The people turned against Abdullah bin Salam radiallahu anh. Some of the folks that were there, when they saw him speaking to Ali radiallahu anh like this, they said, give us permission. We wish to kill this man. Da'na naqtulhu. You know, the people who surround usually are the bigots. The people who surround the scholars are the ones that go too far. Those who surround the righteous, they always go 2 steps ahead of their leader, unfortunately. Ali radiallahu anhu, he calmed them down. He said, leave Abdullah bin Salam, فَإِنَّهُ مِنَّا رَجُلٌ صَالِحٌ. For he is one of us. He is a righteous man.